Hi, today I'm part of new Tecno Spark Go 2022 and I'll show you how to customize Always On Display option on this device. So first we should open the Muviz Edge application. Just open it. Here after that you'll see all of the available themes. Just let's select one from these available themes, tap to apply. To change background, swipe to the up or to the down, tap to apply. To change music controls, to hide them after 10 seconds or never, slide to the left or to the right side this white dot. We could also turn on and turn off the notifications and the date on the AD screen. Also we could here show battery status always while charging or never. Go back, click to the X icon, switch AD to the settings, tap to always on display, and here we could show it on lock screen always while charging or music. To decrease or increase the brightness level, to change screen timeout in low power after, to change the screen orientation, to close it with a double or single tap on the lock screen, to close it with a fingerprint, on screen off, to set the shadow, the start, the end time, use it in a pocket mode, and to disable this option during the calls. So that's it, that's how to customize the option on our Tecno Spark Go 2022. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.